today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, it is happening. It is finally happening for Bitcoin right now. We are seeing a crazy move right now in the Bitcoin charts. And yes, I didn't make a video for a few days for a very good reason. Bitcoin was basically doing nothing. And now that this one move we've been waiting for is finally happening, the break out of this rising wedge, the daily wedge, breaking 1 month key market structure. This is the moment I definitely want to talk to you. This is the moment I definitely want to talk with you about my price targets and my expectations for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. And of course, guys, obviously, I opened a trade. I was sitting still for ages. I actually also, let me quickly go back to the face mode. I also announced on Twitter that I'm currently not announcing for like a month already. No exchanges at all. I posted it like a week ago, 1.5 weeks ago, and I actually stopped 1 month ago to promote any crypto exchanges. Soon, when they come out with their proof of funds, proof of reserves, I'm going to start again, but I have safety first and I want to wait until this is actually done. That doesn't mean that I'm not trading, of course, so let's talk about that as well. Let's talk about everything in today's video. So here you can see on the daily candles, and by the way, if you're watching this video and if you want more of these videos in the future going forward, like this video, share, comment, make noise for the algorithm, especially if I didn't upload a few videos for a few days. It is really helpful if you're engaging with this video. So thank you so much for that. And now let's go straight into the content. On the daily candles, you can see Bitcoin was consolidating for a month in between support and resistance. Rising wedges usually not the nicest thing for Bitcoin. Here, however, we finally got the breakout, and the question is, why is this move so important? What I posted over here on Twitter, where already within a few minutes hundreds of people are engaging with this tweet. Well, let's talk about that. If we are zooming out, you can see, well, there is a bigger history to Bitcoin, of course, going sideways for ages, basically since the middle of last year, right? And then we eventually broke down, and this very important area got broken towards the downside. The moment Bitcoin breaks it is the moment we are going to this massive rocket ship towards the upside. But at the moment, we are not breaking it yet. We are, in fact, just approaching resistance. Bitcoin is right now just approaching the resistance, the most important resistance, which was solidified throughout 6 months. The question is, what is the price target? Well, first of all, I want to show you a little bit trading one-on-one. Let me pull out the VPVR, and here you can of course see that the big volume is coming in. In fact, right here, that is where the big volume was happening, and that is where we can expect, at the current price right now, the biggest resistance coming in for Bitcoin. Well, now we want to, of course, also evaluate what is the price target. Well, let's go into it. And by the way, I know that you guys always want to see my trade. So even though I'm not promoting any exchange, let me at least show you a trade here I'm having open. And this trade, you can see the entry price as $17,100 at the break of this pattern, right now sitting in 33% in a profit. That is clearly, of course, a trade which it's a risky one, but I was waiting for so long, and I think it's definitely one I want to take right now. This is the non-conservative price target. I don't think it's the most realistic one to target specifically here, considering the big resistance coming in. If you're going further in here and you're pulling a more conservative one, then you are getting somewhere towards the upper line of this resistance area, 18,600. If you are in this trade with me together, well, I would already take some profits at the moment where we are right now, below 18,000, and then going higher. I myself, I'm a swing trader, I'm a position trader. I am keeping this one open for a little bit longer. I might take some profits here in this resistance area, but other than that, I am keeping this one open. As you know, I am hunting for this one legendary trade, and if I'm getting wiped out every now and then, or a few times after another, as long as I get my legendary trade in, this one legendary trade for the bull market, I'm a happy person. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.